guys, Dantes the Gamer here. Today we're going to be unboxing the new Spryzen S2, the Ripfire version, and Wyvron W2, also the Ripfire version. So these two are called Ripfire because, well, as you can see, they light up. So let's get to unboxing. So you got the instructions here, but who cares about instructions? So as you see, we got all the parts here with the launcher. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these strings open. So the first part we have is the forge disc, and it's very unusual because it's not like the other ones. It's different. So now I'm gonna cut the tip. And as you see, the tip here is very fat. So we gotta pull this here to get the light up going. Okay. Now we have the energy layer. So this has more gold than the original. So it looks a lot more nice and neat. So let's put this thing together. Okay, got it. So this is the final product. It's a very fat tip. So we're going to do a test launch. Let me just... Okay, where's the ripcord? Where did I put the ripcord? Okay, found it. So let's put this in. So it's very edgy from the other ripcords. So let's do a test launch. So whoa, as you can see, it lights up, and that is the most cool part about these Beyblades. So that is Spryzen S2 unboxing. And this is a balanced Beyblade, so if you took the launcher, it's going to go more of an attack style. So that's Spryzen S2. Now, oops. Now, onto Wyvron W2. It lights up like Spryzen. More instructions, but who needs those? So as you see, you got all the parts here. So let's get to cutting. So these are the three pieces. So we got the energy layer, the booster or forge disc, and the tip. So clumsy today. So we're going to pull this cord here to get it to light up, and now we're going to put this together. So I think it goes like this. Okay, I got it. So this is the final product. Again, very fat tip. So let's do a test launch. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! So, as you can see, it lights up really cool, and it's a nice green color. So, let's do a test battle. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Oh! Whoa! That was epic. So my dad kind of mislaunched, and it had bad stamina, and then I just bursted him, and then the parts bursted me, but my tip kept spinning. That was pretty nice. Yeah, let's do another one. Yeah. 3.
Wait. I'll say.
3, 2, 1, let it rip! So, whoa! Pretty intense battle. And it's a double burst! Now, I'm just going to say that Spryzen won because his tip kept spinning. And if they both burst, but the tip keeps spinning on one Beyblade, I'll count that as a win. So, that was a pretty nice. So, we're going to do one more battle. Last battle. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Ooh! Spryzen just burst Wyvron like it was nothing. So this was our unboxing / review on Storm Spryzen Ripfire and Wild Wyvron Ripfire. This is Dantes Gamer. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Bye!